Hey there everyone, it's another great day at Dash because we're celebrating Maintenance Appreciation Day. I know you'll join me in saying that we have the best maintenance team in the industry. I know this because I just spent time with our maintenance team at the annual state rodeo in Petersburg, Virginia, and it was awesome to watch our team compete, collaborate, and get the job done that day. I can't wait until next year. Now you'll know that we have an incredibly diverse fleet. We're running Gilligs, New Flyers, even Proteras and MCIs. We're running everything from a trolley bus up to a 60-foot articulated vehicle that doesn't even fit in the maintenance bay. And to top it all off, we're going all battery electric. We cannot do this without our awesome maintenance team. And I have no doubt that as we continue to drive forward for the service here in the community of Alexandria, that we have the right people for the job. Thank you so much, team. Today is about you.
My name is James Tran, and I'm the maintenance support specialist down here at the maintenance bay. My main duties are supporting the maintenance department in regards to procurement of parts and items like liquids and fuel. What I like working about here is the freedom to be able to do what I do, having the choices that will impact things to move forward, working with the maintenance mechanics or the foremen to get things repaired or replaced, and we can actually physically see the outcome of a job well done, like a repaired bus or a fixed panel or liquids filled up.
Here at Dash, the things that motivate me and give me that drive is the comradeship I have with the mechanics here. We work together collectively and we enjoy what we're doing here.
I want to say thank you and express my gratitude and appreciation to one of the best maintenance teams that we have, from our bus cleaners, service workers, members of the parts department, our mechanics and foremen. I appreciate all that you guys do.